Hey, Kurt Curtis coming at you from the Full Octane Garage, and today we're going to explain the four-wheel drive operation on our 2018 GMC Denali. It has basically four functions, four options. One is two-wheel drive, and we'll show you a little picture of what we're talking about. So one button here is two-wheel drive. Then you can click and go to auto, and auto is basically a four-wheel drive automatic operation. So if it detects wheel slip in the rear wheels, which is two-wheel drive, then the front wheels will automatically kick in, and you can drive on dry pavement, wet pavement, or off-road surfaces, and this is a good safe function. Now, if you're going to be off-roading or in deep heavy snow or bad weather, you'll want to lock it into full-time four-wheel drive, and you'll actually see a shift light come on the dashboard, and that will be the operation that you're going to drive off-road. You do not want to drive on dry pavement, because dry pavement, you'll feel it will, the front wheels and back wheels have to turn in the same rotation diameter. And when you go to turn, one wheel always turns a little bit more, and it will start hopping on dry roads. So you want to avoid dry roads when you're in this mode. If you have something really heavy that you want to pull, there is a reduction gear in the transfer case, and that's where your four-wheel drive low range comes into play. And it's actually shifting into four low now, once I put the car in neutral, actually. So we'll put the car in neutral, and the shift is in progress. And you're going to find that once it goes into four-wheel drive low, all four wheels are locked. Again, you don't want to be driving on dry pavement, and it will hop and buck and do kind of crazy things. But for off-road or for pulling a heavy load out of your yard or off of a trail, that's the mode you're going to be in. But traditionally, we just use two-wheel drive unless the roads are going to be wet. When the roads are wet, we find that two-wheel drive is not quite enough. We do lose traction often with this 420 horsepower motor, so we just move into the auto mode, and that seems to be the safest operation on wet and icy roads. So we hope you've found this tip to be helpful. Come back often. We have another group of tips that'll be coming very shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for visiting the Full Octane Garage.